Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you guys see in the title, today's gonna be a mukbang, whatever you guys want to call it. I like to call it mukbang. I'm gonna be eating Burger King. I know you guys watch my channel and you guys see that I want to like eat healthy, but I had to put a video up today, and I also know that you guys have been asking a lot of questions like every single day, so I'm gonna answer it for you guys. Don't worry you guys, I'm gonna get back at it, but today I'm eating Burger King. So disclaimer for anybody out there, if you do not like to hear somebody chewing while they eat, do not watch this video. If you guys do not like to hear burps, do not watch this video. If you guys don't like to see somebody eat in general, just don't watch this video. It's like common sense, but I still get comments, like annoying comments, which I don't mind, but it's like, you're like, what are you doing? You're like making yourself suffer watching if you don't like it. But anyways, also if you're on a diet or something and you're gonna end up complaining under my comments, like don't watch this video. So all right, I got myself a Whopper and some French fries. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. Let me pray. Thank you guys for this food. Thank you so much for my family and for everything you have given me, and for my YouTube fam, and for all of the love and support that I get on the daily. Amen. So this is how it looks. It's pretty big. I used to crave this so much when I was pregnant with Kalia. That's how it looks. I forgot to ask him to put cheese, but whatever. That's how it looks right there. It definitely looks better in commercials, but whatever. I need some ketchup because this is really good with ketchup. All right, let me put this up here so you guys can see it. All right. Okay, let's dig in. Oh my gosh, there's a freaking fly in here. Ah! Okay. Let me put it on the side right here. All right. Once again, I might burp, so just FYI. Let me take a first bite before I start talking. By the way, I hate onions, so I never get onions in these. I literally was gonna go to Chick-fil-A to get a salad so I could do like a healthy mukbang. Line was ridiculous. Went to Wendy's because I like their salads as well. Line was ridiculous. Like, it's like nobody cooks around here. All right, I asked on Instagram. By the way, my Instagram is @thelifeof_ KIARA, Kiara. I asked you guys some questions on there. What?
Did Jericho learn about you saw him? Yeah.
I'm working. Bye. All right, so you guys asked some questions. Oh my gosh. I asked you guys to ask me some questions on Instagram, and you guys like always come through. Like, look at this. All right, so Tay Marshall said, what do you value the most right now? Buying a car or buying a house? Lots of love from Toronto. Hey girl, from Toronto. There's an issue right now with the whole car situation, which is why I was just looking for a house or whatever. But now there's like kind of an issue with the house. Y'all, it's just a lot. It's a lot. I don't know what to do because I'm still married, so I kind of don't want to even put myself in that position.
You are still married?
My camera's on top of the paper towels, which is why I'm like, and then the car situation, you know, it's just trying to figure out with the whole loan and all of that, and not really having that much luck right now. But if I could, I would have both, but I'm also, like I said, not legally divorced, so I don't even want to put myself in that position. But yeah, I need a car. Like, I need a car ASAP, y'all. But anyways, Caitlin 82018 said, how was your first year? How has your first year been as a single mom? Hectic, you know, as far as co-parenting goes. Even as far as like just being by myself, I have my days where I do get overwhelmed, like any other mom or any other parent. But for the most part, like, I'm really good, y'all. Like, it's been pretty good co-parenting wise. It's been very annoying, like just hearing like slick little comments. Like, by the way, yesterday my son was on the phone. I'm gonna try to do code. So Sunshine was on the telefono, and parental, this is code by the way, the other parental, you know, was trying to talk or whatever, and Sunshine was trying to look at the TV, and I was like, STOP being RUDE, talk on the phone, you know. And then the other parental was like, yeah, stop being RUDE, like your MOM. And I'm like, really? Like, just little things like that, you know, whatever. Stuff like that is annoying. But as far as like me and the kiddos, like, we're good. They're awesome. Jericho's loving school. Kalia's loving being a 1-year-old that can run around all over the place. But it's been good. Nacia underscore said, how, that's my sister, how do you stay so positive? Literally my kids, y'all. Like whenever I feel like overwhelmed, or I feel like I'm getting anxiety, I just look and think about my kiddos, you know. Like, I just think about them, and I know that they need a strong mom in their life. So literally my kids. And then I have a very amazing support system, which is my family, my immediate family. They're amazing. And you know, whenever, like I said, I do feel like overwhelmed or getting anxiety, like, my family's always there for me. So, and then you guys are there for me too. So she's effing dope said, do you have a crush at the moment? Kind of have like more than one, but yeah. Tiger Race 18 said, let me take another bite. I'm talking too much. I'm used to putting like ketchup all over my fries, not on the side. It's like annoying, but whatever. My kids are eating, by the way, in the back, and they're super quiet. He said, when is it officially 1 year of separation? Are you ready to file for divorce? It's gonna be a year, like December 3rd, December 4th. Isn't that crazy? I never in a million years would have thought, or I couldn't imagine myself without this person. Literally, like, whenever I had my doubts, I could never imagine myself without this person. and it's almost been a year, which is crazy. So yeah, December, like the beginning of December, and I'm definitely ready to file. Like, definitely. I mean, he has, but there's some issues with the paperwork, like crazy issues. But y'all know, for those of you who watch all the time, I'm ready to be free, y'all. What's your favorite? Oh, Leah Reynolds 06 said, what's your favorite thing to do when you relax? Chill mama mode. So I don't really have time to like go out like that, but when I'm home and the kids are knocked out, my favorite thing honestly is to look at quotes on Instagram. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys see that I'm always like posting quotes on my stories. Whether it's about excuse me, relationships or success, motivation, I love it. And then I start following like, you know, motivating Instagrams. But yeah, and or I'll watch like my DVR. So I'll watch like Teen Mom, Unexpected on TLC. It's kind of like a Teen Mom. What else? There was a new show that I started watching. It's called Married to Millions, which was pretty good. The Challenge. What else do I watch? X on the Beach, reality shows, y'all. ForEvZ02 said, okay, throw it out. Excuse me. She said, how do you heal from a broken corazón? That's a hard question, y'all. I feel like you just constantly have to repeat to yourself that you deserve love, you deserve appreciation, you deserve someone to treat you amazing. You don't deserve to just settle. You constantly have to repeat yourself. I cried a lot, so that helps a lot too. Start doing things that are like for you, you know. And I feel like that's something, that's a reason why I have like my days where I'm like slump, or like, is that a word, or like unmotivated, because I don't really have time to do things that are just for myself. And you know, because I'm a 24/7 mom, you know, I don't really have babysitters out here. The only person that's a babysitter for me is, or people, is my sister and my brother-in-law. And they have full-time jobs, so I'm like always with the kids. Can't really do things that are like for me. So sometimes during my me time, I like draw, which is something that I love to do. Like, it's just therapeutic. But yeah. Excuse me. Katie _ said, does Sunshine over there talk to the other parental much? Lately it's been like every 2 or 3 days. And I only burp because a lot of people like it, which is kind of weird, but and regardless, I burp when I'm like by myself. So, which currently I'm by myself, and just thousands of people are gonna watch after, but excuse me. Jenny True Love said, do you ever think about fixing your teeth? Yeah, am I supposed to be offended? I'm not, but I don't know if she's trying to play me or what, but my teeth are shifting. I need to take my wisdom teeth out. They're shifting. I had straight teeth before. I'm starting to notice like some of my teeth getting crooked, and then like if you see my front teeth, one of them is bigger than the other. I don't know if you can tell, I'm pretty sure you can, but a while ago, like maybe when I was like 20 something, maybe 21, I was trying to open up my necklace, like one of these, you know, like the back parts, trying to open it with my teeth, because it was like it wouldn't come off, and it was just like stuck. I don't know what happened to it, and I'm trying to open it and it chipped my tooth. So like this right here is a little chipped, but it's gonna stay like that. Unless the doctor tells me or the dentist tells me that I need braces or something, which I wonder how I would look with braces. Anyways, A Rudd 2013 said, how's the separation going? Like I mentioned, it's kind of annoying. I feel like the other parental is so used to having like a bad relationship, like a bad co-parenting relationship, that he kind of brought it into this one. And it's so annoying. It's so annoying because I have to, you know, deal with this person for the rest of my life. But I mean, it is what it is. Like I said, I'm just can't wait till I'm like free. It went down the wrong pipe. Okay. So Tralin period 1 said, when will the new guy come on your channel? You guys, I had to delete some footage on my camera. Last bite, oh my god, y'all, I'm like super stuffed. And there's a freaking fly in here. Anyway, it all depends on our schedule. And literally I think like a couple weeks ago or a week ago, when I said I was gonna have him on this channel, it would have been so perfect. But like I said, I only have 2 babysitters. They work full-time, so yeah, it just depends on their schedule. And I haven't been able to do the video obviously with him. We're hoping for Sunday, but like I said, I don't know. And then also my mom is coming this weekend, so yeah, I don't know when we're gonna do that, but we will do it. It just depends on when. Like, it just, I don't know when, but that's about it. Oh, shout out to Yida if you're watching right now. Her channel is called Never Perfect by Kidal, and she does a lot of mukbangs on her channel. I love her mukbangs, and she also does vlogs, and I love her vlogs as well. I'm so stuffed. I saw her write something today and I wanted to answer it. I be talking so fast. She wrote underneath one of my videos and said, how do you keep the hope in love after what you've been through? Like, what gives you that faith? So I don't know, y'all. I've always been the type of person to love. I love so much. And I know that when I love a person, let me put you guys back. When I love somebody, y'all, I love them with all of my heart. Like, with all of my heart and soul, that I can literally feel it. Like, whenever I go through heartbreak, I literally feel the love, like, being taken away from my body, if that makes any sense. Like, that's how I felt with this separation. Like, just every single time there was something that went wrong, you know, it was just like the love was getting taken away out of my body, which I guess is called healing, you know. But I have so much faith that there is somebody out there who loves love just as much as I do. And maybe at this exact moment, they're going through the same thing that I'm going through. Maybe heartbreak, you know, maybe not wanting to trust anybody again. But I know in my heart that God has somebody out there for me that's gonna love me, and that's gonna appreciate me, and that's gonna give me what I put into a relationship, you know. That's gonna be that person to be like, put your walls down. Like, I'm not like him. Oh, I don't want to get emotional. Like, I know that person is out there for me. I know for a fact, I feel like maybe I haven't met him. I see certain qualities in, you know, certain people, but I feel like it just depends on the timing, because timing is super important. I feel like I also, like, God knows that I also need to heal, but I know that that's out there for me. And I know also that, like, after heartbreak and after going through what I went through, like, I cannot settle for less. I cannot settle. And I know I'm like talking and it's like all lovey-dovey and I'm just gassy. Excuse me. But I know that I cannot ignore red flags. I cannot, you know, at the end of the day, it could still be a mistake, but I'm not even gonna speak that into existence. But I know for a fact that the next person that comes into my life in a serious way, it's gonna be somebody that doesn't show me red flags. I mean, everybody's not perfect, but you know, that just checks a lot of things that are on my list. You know, that there's more pros than cons to this person, that we're not rushing anything, we're going with the flow, we're friends first. Like, there's just so much that you need to know after you go through a horrible breakup, because a lot of times we as human beings, and you know, mainly women, we continue the cycle. We go through a certain thing, and then the next person, we ignore the red flags. We're kind of like, we like them so much and we ignore the red flags, and we start to settle without even realizing, oh crap, I'm settling again. Oh crap, I'm ignoring red flags. Oh my god, I'm like sweeping certain things under the rug and making excuses for him. Like, you know, you kind of have to stop the cycle, because when people say, oh, all men ain't crap, no, it's literally the people that you keep choosing, you know. Even though, you know, there's some nice men that portray themselves to be nice and then they're F-boys, but yeah, it's just a matter of just knowing that that person's out there for me, and I know for a fact that he is. And I'm not gonna put the experience that I went through with this certain person on the next person that I end up bringing into my life in a serious way and loving and all of that. You know, I'm not gonna put that on him. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this mukbang. I appreciate you guys so much. I love you guys so much. And if you guys want me to continue these mukbangs, please give this video a thumbs up. I love you guys so much, and you guys will see me in the next video. Peace out.